Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jungle Travels. So, today I am going to discuss a new app that I've found with you all. Now, this app is basically, I think it's a great tool for anybody doing van life or any kind of life really. It's basically a money saving app for food. Now, I don't generally promote apps or stuff like that. I'm not a big tech geek. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not being paid to promote this or anything. I just think it's a really good app, and when I come across something good, you know, I want to share it. I want to tell people. So a friend of mine last week told me about this new app. Well, it's not new, I've found out. But she told me about this app called Too Good To Go. So, Too Good To Go, which I'm showing you on my screen now, and I'm using, if you look above, Omelette, I'm using that one to record what I'm about to show you. So we click on Too Good To Go, and it tells you basically food that you can collect for a certain price. So if I go to the list, so currently I'm in work, which means the closest place to me, it's saying on the map, is Woodhouse Park in Manchester. I did try the wagon and horses the other day, which wasn't very good because they didn't have any food because they had no trays and they wouldn't give me any food. So I'm going to go on Grantee's Coffee House, so we can get a load of pastries and stuff like this. And this is actually really good. So we go on Grantee's Coffee House, and then we click on. So that's to collect between 3 and 4. Click on Buy Now. Your magic bag is a surprise. So just to show you basically what have you got in it. So you get sandwiches, pasta pots, pastries. I have no idea what I'm going to get in it. It's a complete surprise. So we click on Buy Now. Got it. Select quantity, 1, because there is only 1. Click Buy using everybody's friend PayPal. Pay now. So, there you go. I have just saved a meal from being wasted. So, basically, we are now doing the same for the Crockpot Passion, which is basically the same system, just click it, buy it, and then pay for it, and then go and collect it. So there you go, just saved another meal from being wasted. Fantastic. So basically, it is, as you know, we waste a lot of food in this country. Now this app is all about cutting down on the food waste. So what we actually do is, at the end of the day, shops on the app will list their food that they would otherwise end up in the bin, and basically they make you up big doggy bags for a fraction of the price. So we're going to try it out. I've just finished work, you know, no idea what to expect. So basically I'm going to go and pick these 2 meals up, take you guys along with me if you want to come. If you don't. But yeah, I'm going to pick these 2 meals up, bring them back to the van, and then I'm going to dish them out and see what we've got. And I think the first meal's cost me about £3, and the second meal has cost me about £4. So all in all, about £7. Now I actually, as I say, I found out about this app about a week ago. So I tried it out on the first day I got the app, and I ordered from 2 places. The first place, which was literally like 2 minutes away from work, it was a carvery, and drove there. I think it was the wagon and horses at Handforth Green. Got there, and the guys were like, "Oh yeah, we've run out of serving trays, so you can't have it." I was like, "Well, just chuck it in anything. I'm not bothered." They're like, "No, it has to be in a serving tray, otherwise you can't have it." Like, sorry guys, but if you haven't got the serving trays, don't offer the food. If I drove like 5 miles to get the food, I'd been proper paid. Literally, I was only like 2 minutes away, so it didn't really bother me. And I picked up another meal on the way back, which I'd already ordered, from another carvery in Aldenshaw, which I've forgotten the name of, but I will leave a link in the description. And I will show you a picture now of what I ordered. Yeah. So that, as you can see, was a really nice meal. Not for me, because I'm vegetarian, but I didn't actually know how the meal was going to come, whether it be in separate trays, or as it happens it was all piled into a big chippy tray. So on that one I looked out, but my son absolutely wolfed it down. He loved it. It was like turkey, sausages, pork, roast potatoes, parsnips, peas, carrots, Yorkshire pudding, and I think all that cost me £3.9p. So I couldn't even make him a Sunday dinner for that much. It was the first time he'd had a Sunday roast in God knows how long. Because me, since I turned veggie about 2.5 years ago, I don't buy meat anymore. I say to them, if they want meat, you know, you get it at the mum's. There you go. But yeah, I do buy sausages and what have you for them every now and again. So you have to give in a little bit, don't you? Yeah. So I'm going to go and pick these meals up, and then we shall see what we've ordered. Because that's the great thing. Well, I say it's a great thing. We have no idea what's in the order. It's basically just whatever's left at the end of the day. So it could be something good, or it could be really crap. I have no idea. So I'm kind of excited, and then kind of thinking, have I just wasted £7 and an hour of my time? Which is literally like, because I think Altrincham was like 20 minutes out of my way, and then 20 minutes back. But I thought, you know what? I'm going to try it and see what happens. So yeah, so let's go get the meals. Okay guys, so I'm just going to nip into Too Good To Go and pick up my first order, and then we'll see what we've got and I'll give you a look, and then I'm going to nip to the second place and get the second order. So we're just walking down the high street in Altrincham, got the market over there, and we're heading for a place called Crockpot Passion to pick up our next magic bag. No idea what it is, but I'll tell you what, it's actually a really nice little street. That's a walk because it's a bit hard to get down in the van. So let's see what we can see. Let's see if we can find the place. So there you go guys, behind me you will see the market, and I've just spoke to Ben and Dan, who are in charge of the excellent meal I've got. Two really great guys actually. I'm going to drop a link down in the meeting. I'm going to drop a link down in the description. I'll tell you what I've got. I've actually got quite a lot of food here. So let's go back to the van and see what we've got. So I actually forgot what it was actually called, I'll be honest. It's called Crockpot Passion. So you've got Ben and Dan, two great guys running the place, doing the bit for the environment. Hang on, try getting my van without being killed. There we go. They've just told me they're opening a store in Leeds as well. Don't know what the food's going to be like, but they do seem really genuine guys, and living on a barge apparently. So there's my meals. So we're going to head back. Well, I'm going to go and park up somewhere and I'll show you what I've got. So there's the bright lights of Manchester behind me, which in my mind is probably the best view of Manchester, way off in the distance. I like Manchester, don't get me wrong. I think it's a great city, great people, a lot of history. And I'd actually intend doing a vlog around Manchester because there's a lot to show you. But I'm a country boy. I like sticks under my feet instead of chewing them. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to show you the meals. Certainly this bit, I am putting my oven top here. So, undergoing a bit of work at the moment. But yeah, I'm going to flip this around and I'm going to show you what we've got. Okay, so this is the one that came from Grand Tea's Coffee House. So what have we got? Looks like we've got a cheese and ham roll. That will be going for my son's lunch. And another cheese and ham roll on French bread. Actually, that one's on a Cedius French bread. And then we've got a salad, which looks like olive and, yeah, just olives, maybe sun-dried tomato or something. And the next one looks like we have olive and feta. Oh, actually no, there's feta in that one as well. So it's a feta and olive salad. So basically, for, which I think was about £3 something. That was about £3.10, £3.20. Can't remember exactly. I've got 2 Greek salads, 2 cheese and ham ciabattas, which all in all would have probably cost you about 11 quid. So, absolute bargain. Yeah, that's absolutely brilliant, that. I'm going to have one of them for work tomorrow. That's my son's lunch sorted for school tomorrow. Well, college, not school. He's cracking on a bit now, he's getting old. So that's the one. And then, this one, I have no idea at all. Now actually, it's got to be said, plastic packaging, you know. They were actually lovely staff as well there. But these guys, Ben and Dave at the Crock Pot. What have we got here now? So that's some pulled chicken salad. My son's going to like that, and he has actually told me all the trays are biodegradable because they're very big in the environment. I'm going to leave a link to both these places in the description because, yeah, I think they're great. What have we got here? I can't open it. What have we got? Oh, what have we got? Hey, let's have a look. So we've got, I have no idea. Oh, wait a minute. Is that, that's just a bread roll, isn't it? Wow, that's some kind of big bread roll. Don't think there's anything in it, but yeah. Let's have a look, see if I can break it open a minute. Yeah, no, that's just a bread roll. That's actually warm as well, that. Nice. I'll leave that open like that. Let's see what else we've got. This feels warm still. See, I have actually noticed on the app. Oh, what have we got there? So we've got potato. I'm kind of just fingering all the food here, aren't I? So these look like veggies. That's good. That's safe to eat. Let's have a try. I don't think there's any meat there, isn't there? No, that's not. That's cool. Look at that. Oh, that's actually really nice, that. Very oily, but I like oily food. Kind of gives it a Mediterranean feel. Okay, this feels light as a feather. Is it empty? Is there anything in this one? Nope. That's just salad. Cool. And then also a couple of pieces of fruit. So we've basically got an apple, an orange, a salad bowl, a chicken and rocket salad kind of thing, a ciabatta bun, and some selection of veggies, and that was about £4. So basically all this meal has cost £7. Wow. How good does that look? Yeah. Bargain. So, there you go. A great meal for £7. Bargain. Also, for, if you noticed, when I ordered the food, I was using an app to show you the screen. Losing my words. Yeah, I was using an app to show you the screen. Now that app is called Omelette, which if you actually look in the corner you'll see a little game, like a controller thing with an omelette written on it. And it's a gaming app for recording your screen while you're playing games online. Really good app actually. So I used that to record my screen. perfect. So 2 little apps there which I think would be excellent for any van lifers and vloggers. Omelette is a great app for anybody doing vlogging. I'm new to all this, so I'm just learning everything. And yeah, there was the fruit going. And Too Good To Go is not too good to go in my belly. Yeah. So thanks for watching. And also, can I just say a big thank you and a big thumbs up to everybody who's subscribed to me recently. I mean, it's absolutely overwhelming. In the last, month, I've gone from like 20 subscribers to like 260, 270, which to me is absolutely brilliant. So yeah, to everybody who's subscribed to me in the last few weeks, or all, whoever, whenever, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you enjoy it, hope you keep coming back for more. And yeah, lots to come. What else have I got coming up? Well, let's have a think. So it's Halloween's finally gone. Yay, no more trick-or-treaters at the door. Bonfire night's out the way. No more howling dogs scared of fireworks. So it's Christmas time coming, isn't it? So I am going to go on a mission. I'm going to travel around the Pennine area where I am based, and I'm going to try and find the most picturesque Christmas village I can find. So if you guys want to come along with me, stick around, and I'm going to try and find some most picturesque villages. And yeah, you guys can vote and see which one you think is your favourite, because villages do tend to go into competition, don't they, to make themselves all look pretty and chocolate boxy. Typical English village, really, isn't it? Like you see in a quality street too. So I want to find a nice English quality street tin kind of village before Christmas and try and find which is the best one. And there's lots of villages out there. So yeah, so stick around and we're going to go and hunt a few villages and see what we can see. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you don't want to, don't. Thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, thumbs up if you like it. Smash a like. But yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and I will catch up with you in the next one. And I'm going to end this in the typical YouTube way.